How to remove stickers on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove stickers on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Messenger. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Also, make sure that your Messenger app is up to date to its latest version. After you do that, head over to any chat section that you want to. After you're there, simply tap on the text area, and from there simply tap on this emoji, which will take you to your stickers. After you're on your stickers, you will see all of your stickers available. From here, head over to the sticker section, that is the third one from here, and after you're here, you can now search all of your stickers. Now if you don't like any one of your stickers, so let's say I don't like this squishies sticker, so if I want to remove that, I'll need to head over to the marketplace that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on the marketplace, and there you will see all of the stickers which you can actually download, and on the top you'll find your stickers section. Tap on it. Now from here, if you want to delete or remove stickers that you don't like, you can simply tap on this minus icon that is on the left hand side of the stickers. So tap on it and you'll get the remove option. Tap on remove, and there we go. That is how you delete any stickers from your Messenger app. So if I just go back here, and there you can see now I don't have that sticker anymore. And that's how you remove stickers on Messenger. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.